everybody. So today we're in a John Deere 223 skid steer, working on a little patio job, laying some base course. They ended up getting me a little bit fine on the base course, but the first couple of lifts we did were with the 3/4 inch, so I guess that's alright. We're just doing our final topping layer right now. Got me a little crew over here that's laying the paver, or laying the base course down on grade, so but what we're doing here is we're going to do a 500 square foot patio. It's taken me a little bit to figure these controls out, but first time I've ever been in a John Deere, but we seem to be making it work alright. Getting a little low on our fill, so hopefully we'll have enough. I think it's going to be real close. But I guess that's about what you want anyways, is to be close on your material and not too long, so. It's actually relatively a nice skid steer, really, once you get used to the control pattern in it. Rented ourselves a plate packer for the weekend. That way then we can get everything down nice and compacted. But so far it's going really good. You guys can kind of see the walls out there. It's going to be some benches for people to sit on with pillars on either end. That'll go in the corners, the outside corners of the patio. But this is a tracked skid steer machine, so it's not leaving any imprints in the grass, which was exactly what we were going for. But we've only got a few weeks to get this project in. They're going to be having a bunch of wedding folk here in about 5 weeks coming into town to get, one of my roommates is getting married, so we got to get it down here in the next couple of weeks. But we'll have a good piece of it knocked out today, so it's actually going quite well. But as always, if you guys like what you see, please subscribe to my channel and feel free to ask me any questions on YouTube. I check my account pretty regularly. But thanks for watching, everybody, and we'll catch you on the next video. Goodbye.